Hey, good morning, YouTube, from an undisclosed location here in West Virginia. You guys will notice or recognize what that is under the cover back there, but that's not what we're here for today. Today, in fact, we have Pat up on the lift. This truck has had a front seal leak ever since I put it together and changed that front harmonic balancer. And, well, it's time to change it. This is what we've got going on under here. I got the harmonic balancer just about off. Once that comes off, we got to take the front cover off. And once we get the front cover off, we can change the seal from the other side, which is the strangest thing in all the world, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. I got just enough room in here for this puller. Anymore, if that puller arm was, or that puller shaft was any longer, it would not fit. And thankfully I did just have this off. And it's pretty loose. I wouldn't say it's pretty loose. It's coming right off. But ooh, there it is. That's the end of her. Now, here's the problem. I gotta probably gonna have to need two hands to do this. I don't want to drop the harmonic balancer on me head. Oh, there we go. Get it right on out of there. You can definitely see where that front seal's been leaking right down the face of that front cover. Let's get her changed. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo Man down here at the bottom of the hill. And let me tell you what a day it has been. Did some work on Pat here today. As you guys saw me get started there earlier today, that front cover seal was leaking. Well, we finally did get that changed. And you and I are going to be the first two to see if I in fact got it sealed up or not. And there it is. Not a leak to be found anywhere. Looking good up in there. Stopped down Rowdy's Wash in Wellsburg, West Virginia, which is the official car wash of Mongo's Garage. Blew off the old Blue Bomber here, Pat. Got some of that mud and muck off of it. I'm looking pretty good up under here. Got the new starter installed as well today. That one works much better than the last one did. Everything's looking pretty good under the hood now. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap the for sale sign back in it and let it sit down here at the bottom of the hill. Pat is for sale, like we were talking about before. If you guys are interested, put a comment below. Supposed to have somebody come in and look at it this weekend. Got a couple local people interested in it. And there it sits in all his glory.